Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, I want to shift how you think about APIs, not as lines of code, but as products people trust. We'll look at what makes an API reliable, consistent, and secure, and why these qualities define great API developers. Most beginners think an API is just a few endpoints like get users or update profile. But real API developers design experiences, not just endpoints. Take Google Maps API as an example. It's not just a single function returning coordinates. It's a full product that Uber, Swiggy, and Airbnb rely on. If it weren't reliable and easy to use, no one would adopt it. This brings us to the first responsibility: reliability. Your API must work all the time, not just in your test environment. It should handle traffic spikes gracefully. Imagine Paytm's payment API going down during Diwali sales. Thousands of failed transactions would erode trust instantly. Reliable APIs have timeouts, retries, and fallback mechanisms built in. The second responsibility is consistency. A predictable API feels professional and reduces bugs. If one endpoint returns dates in certain format, every endpoint should follow the same format. Inconsistent design frustrates developers and wastes time fixing issues that should never exist. Finally, security. Only the right people should access the right data. Without authentication, anyone could hit /get balance on a banking API and see private information, a complete disaster. Strong APIs use keys, OAuth, encryption, and rate limiting by default. Security isn't an afterthought, it's part of the design. When you put all this together, you stop thinking of APIs as code and start treating them as products. Products must earn trust. They must be reliable, consistent, and so remember, as an API developer, you're not just writing endpoints, you're building something people will depend on every day. Treat your API as a product, design it with responsibility, and it will stand the test of scale and time. Thank you.